In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter information within a cell in Google Sheets. This is a basic yet essential skill for efficiently managing your spreadsheets. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. If you're already logged into your Google account, you can do this by going to sheets.google.com. Once you're there, you can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one that you want to work on. Opening Google Sheets is your gateway to organizing and analyzing data effectively, so take a moment to ensure everything is set up just the way you need it. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, locate the cell where you want to input your data. For our example today, we'll pretend we're working with cell C5, but feel free to choose any cell you need. Click on the cell to select it. It's important that the cell is highlighted because that indicates it's ready for any information you want to input. With the cell selected, start typing your message. Let's say you want to enter info here. Just type that directly into the cell. As you're typing, you'll see your text appear in the formula bar at the top of Google Sheets, as well as in the cell itself. This dual entry display ensures that you can see exactly what you're inputting, which is really helpful for correcting any mistakes or ensuring everything looks just right. Once you've typed your message, you might think that hitting enter would just move you to the next cell. However, if you want to stay in the same cell to make additional edits, you can double-click a cell either with your mouse or by using the F2 key on your keyboard. This lets you enter a new line of text within the same cell, which can be particularly useful for creating lists or adding multiple lines of notes. Just remember, by doing this, Google Sheets turns the cell into more of a text box, rather than just a simple data entry box. If you want to finish editing a cell or move on to the next task, simply hit enter once more. This action confirms your input, ensuring that your data is saved exactly as you entered it. And there you have it, a simple guide for entering information within a cell in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial makes your future projects a breeze. Mastering these small but critical details in Google Sheets can greatly improve your productivity and accuracy in managing data. If you have any questions or need further clarification, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.